we reach downhill of Hibbo in Sawda, Abha. It is an amazing place to visit and camp and drive. Man, I love this place. The guys would rip the roads in Sawda with these bikes, and we'll see what the roads will take us. We went to Abha city and we took some breakfast there, and then we went for a coffee, had some ride. The guys rode their bikes, and then we came back to Hibbo descent. The guys are planning now to go to a place called Sahab Park, which is up within the mountains and the trees of the mountains. So when I reach there, I will show you the place. And these are the bikes if you are a bike enthusiast. So we have a Hayabusa, a Honda Cafe Racer, and a Suzuki, I'm not sure, C80T. And there, I forgot to mention, if you see the car behind the trees that's a waterfall that collects from the mountains and come down to a tank, and it's open for the public, for the use of the public. So anyone who needs water, he can come and fill his tanks here. And also there is another outlet that people with filters, so you can drink, and people usually come and drink some water from there. The place is nice, and the guys are really obsessed with it, because we always seems to come to this place again and again. But yeah, let us go there to Sahab Park, and I'll show you the mountains there. So guys, this is the Sahab Park. Sahab means in English is a cloud, so this is Clouds Park. While coming here, you need to be careful because the drive is back and forth, and people park on the right and left. So just take care while coming. But if you want also, there are some kids facilities there, some cabins, and people sitting at the bottom, or you can just park at the side and see these amazing views. So always keep it in your plans. Don't forget it while visiting Abha. and not to leave you hanging. This is the other side of the road, so you can choose which view do you prefer.